In this video, I will show you how to lose your wanted level within Emergency Hamburg. So of course, if you want to get your wanted level, you first of course need to commit a crime. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna rob this vending machine and I'm gonna pick up these crimes. So as you can see, there is a ADAC customer, okay, or a worker actually. I don't know what he's doing, but I'm gonna pick up these Red Bulls and cookies. And as you can see in the upper right corner, what is that? Okay, I committed a crime and now I have a wanted level. And now what I need to do is I need to escape from the police. So right now there isn't any police. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hide over here. And what I can do right now is I can look at my phone over here and then I go to criminal over here. And as you can see, you will lose your wanted level in 6 minutes and 30 seconds. You can show your crimes. As you can see, I committed one vending machine robbery. And yeah, basically I have 0 stolen money because I only stole Red Bull and cookies in this case, but I just need to wait 6.5 minutes in order to lose my my wanted level. Of course, if I commit more crimes, yeah, my wanted level will increase, so keep that in mind. So when I rob a new vending machine, my wanted level will increase. And yeah, if you want to lose your wanted level, you just need to wait and maybe hide for 5 or 6 minutes in this case. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, I will see you guys in the next video. So thanks for watching.